Hello friends, today I will give you some important tips about the very important question, that is appreciation of the poetry. It is newly added and I have started with the English medium of 9th standard. I have already uploaded two videos, the poem Silver and the Road Not Taken. Both of these poems are already appreciated. Please go through these two videos and definitely you will like the way I have appreciated them. This is our channel English Education. I would like to appeal you to subscribe the channel and like the videos and share it with your friends. What we have to do? Appreciation of the poetry. There are 8 points. With the help of these points you have to appreciate the poem, the title, author, rhyme scheme, favorite line, central idea, figure of speech, special feature and why I like the poem. Out of these 8 points, point number 5 and point number 7 is for 2 marks. Rest of the points are for 1 mark. If you write properly, you will definitely score out of marks here, and definitely I will help you for that. This is the poem that we have to study or we have to appreciate. Please listen. The poet is unknown. See, the picture speaks itself. The next point means the actual process. The first important point is title. I have already told you that writing only name is the easiest way, but it is not impressive. So you should frame a sentence that may describe the name. It will have a good impact as we have done here. The title, please listen, is very meaningful. It's an urge from somebody to listen him or her. So how impressive it looks. The next point is author or poet. The best way to write this is to give some important or useful information about the author along with his name. So nicely I have written here, see. It happens many times that even well-known poems are written by an unknown poet. The poet of this poem is also anonymous. मतलब पता नहीं किसने लिखी. बहुत सारे गाने हम गुनगुनाते रहते हैं, कहाँ पता होता है कि किसने लिखा है. Same is the case over here. Next point, rhyme scheme. Before writing rhyme scheme, if you write something about the stanza pattern, it will be helpful to understand it, as I have done here. The poem has irregular stanza pattern of having 3, 4 or 5 lines. मतलब हर स्टांजा की लाइन्स अलग है, किसी स्टांजा को 3 लाइन से, 4 लाइन से और 5 लाइन से. तो क्या होता है ऐसी स्थिति में? नेचुरली राइम स्कीम इज एब्सेंट. क्या कहते हैं फिर? द पोएम इज रिटन इन free verse in such a case. Okay, next point. Next point is very important, that is central idea or theme. You know this point is for 2 marks, and if you write all above points impressively, it will have a good effect over here. The examiner will give you good marks here. What is our target? 2 out of 2. So write properly and score good marks. Write at least 4 points. Every point will give you half mark. See how we have written. Human being is a social animal and is always in need of emotional support, especially children. They always want someone to listen them, to have an emotional relief. Like other children, the child in the poem is confident to solve his problem. He expects elders to listen him instead of giving advice. He also expects from elders to understand what is there behind his irrational feelings. कैसे होता है हमारा बिहेवियर अगर अलग है तो कुछ तो सोच अलग होती है. हम चाहते हैं कि बड़े लोग समझने की कोशिश करें कि हम क्या सोच रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, फिगर ऑफ स्पीच. इमीडिएटली आफ्टर राइटिंग द पॉइंट, give the name of the figure of speech. How I have given? Repetition. The figure of speech of the poem is crystal clear. मतलब बहुत ही साफ है. The line when I ask you to listen repeats several times in the poem. So बहुत आसानी से समझ जाते हो तो आप लोग लिख देते हो. अगला पॉइंट है स्पेशल फीचर. This is very important point because it will give you 2 marks, and I tell you it is very easy to write it because number of things are there. You can write about the tone, you can write about the form of the poem. Also you can point out the symbols or imagery of the poem. You can write the style of the language of the poet. Very nicely you can write about it. And also if you like some beautiful sentences or lines or words, you mention it here. See, the poem is written in a simple language. It has an irregular stanza pattern having the stanza of 3, 4 or 5 lines. The poem is narrative in form. The poem is nothing but an expectation of the narrator to listen him or try to understand what is there behind his irrational feelings. So this is the best way, communicative way that we have attempted here. Last point, why I like the poem. I always tell you, children, you are not serious while writing this point. I want you to be very serious while writing this point. Why? Because you are writing about yourself. You are talking about yourself. Write it in an interesting way and talk about you very seriously. Because poem may give you joy, poem may give you happiness, sadness, or there may be some association of yourself with the narrator. See here. I like this poem very much because I associate myself with the feelings of the narrator. I hope the elders will understand this, and instead of giving advice, they will listen to us. The poem is very easy to understand. Children, you can give the heading, or even without heading also you can write this appreciation of poetry. It makes no harm, but make separate paragraphs if you are not giving headings. Okay? Subscribe the channel, like the video and share it with your friends. Goodbye.